Guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday the 13th, I believe, of April. I may be wrong because that's just coming off the top of my head, but it's Saturday the 13th of April, and I'm starting my week off on Saturday because I'm going to Manchester. I'm going to go and see my sister. She's going to do my hair for me. I'm going to get my braids done, so that's going to be nice. Staying there for a couple of days and then I will be back. Yeah, so I'm about to like go now. I literally just did my makeup because basically I'm going to be shooting content like after she's done my hair, so I'm just like trying to just be prepared for that and ready. So I just arrived in Manchester. I was actually supposed to vlog before I got into the car again when I was in Birmingham, but I didn't, so you know. But yeah, here now. I just had to run a few errands for my sister. I had to pick up some hair. Starving though, so I'm gonna go and get something to eat and then go to her. So let's go. Some B-roll. You told me to just calm down and take my... The home of Manchester's #1 braider. Welcome. We are currently offering classes to anyone that's interested. So if you want to learn how to braid, there's no time like the present. You will be seeing these end results very soon, so look out for that on Alicia's page, of course. And yeah, if you want to learn how to braid like that, let me know. We have courses running through the whole year, available for beginners and advanced braiders, so don't be shy. Drop me a message on Instagram, MCR Braids. I'll put everything in the description, guys. Yep, on TikTok, MCR Braids. Drop me an email if you'd like, mcrbraids@gmail.com. Best braider in Manchester, like hands down. Okay. Lauren has been doing my hair. When did you start doing my hair? When we were like 11, not nah. Yeah, you was like caning my hair like back a day. Like I remember when you kept saying, Alicia, can I do your hair? Yeah, from back in the day. I don't remember that still. No, you did. you did. You were like, no, don't you remember? There was one time where you was like, oh Alicia, God, please let me comb your hair, and you didn't let me. Yeah, I didn't want you to do it. Yeah, it's bringing back a bit trauma. And then you did it. Oh gosh. Yeah, but you've been doing my hair for so long. Like Lauren's been doing braids for about 10 plus years, to be quite honest. Like back in the Bratz doll head days, like, you know, she was doing the most. I was trying, but I couldn't do it. So here I am getting my hair done by Lauren on a regular basis. But yeah, she's definitely excelled. Like I want to put some pictures of the old, like when you did my hair back in the day. Yeah, I'm gonna drop images like now. So you're just gonna see images of when Lauren did my hair back in 2016. And then once this is done, I'll show you. But yeah, she's the best. She's the best of the best. But yeah, guys, this is every time you see me with braids on my channel, except for the one time when my cousin did my braids, Lauren's done them. So anybody in Manchester, because I know some people come to MCR Braids and have subscribed, so you already know. But anyone based in Manchester, come through. Based anywhere, come through. Do we sound the same, by the way? Like, if we sound the same, comment down below. Yeah, I was gonna... What? He's gonna... I was gonna like purposely speak, but then that's when it's forced, so yeah, we'll just hear it. Okay, now you're speaking. Do we sound the same? Because I think we sound the same, to be fair, so I already know we sound the same, but you don't even think we sound the same? I find that weird because now like we're not together all the time. I guess because no, but we speak on the phone, yeah. So I feel like if we didn't speak on the phone, probably not. Hi guys, so Lauren she's finished putting all of the hair in, but she's just braiding the ends now. So I think we're gonna be here for another couple of hours. What time is it now, Laz? 10, I think. Yeah, it's 10 now, so we'll probably be here till about 12 o'clock. So we are finished. Here is the end result.
So we're just going to take a few pictures now and then, yeah, take a few pictures. So we'll start with, what do you think, maybe a side part?
Yeah, let's go for that. I just feel like I'm in my element now, like I'm just ready to make moves. Do you know what I mean?
It's like old school camera footage.
Yeah.
The way I'm doing it, because I'm a bit shaky.
I like it. I actually really like that though.
It was a little bit shaky, but it's alright, isn't it? It's alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, okay. So guys, that's it. That's the end of the vlog for tonight. We're just gonna go home and sleep.
Yeah, we are tired.
So yeah, I hope you like my hair. But remember, MCR Braids, if you're in Manchester, MCR Braids. MCR Braids.
See ya.
See ya. Yeah, why is this not in focus, please? Right, so guys, I'm in Saku Samba in Manchester. We've come in here and to be quite honest, the vibe isn't it. Like, it looks like nice, but it's situated in such a weird place. We couldn't even find the door. But yeah, about to order now. To be fair, the person who served us, she was not clear at all, so I don't even know what's going on. Don't even know the prices or anything. Not really sure, but we'll see how it goes. It's alright. These toilets are something. So when we got back from our lunch, I decided to film some content, and this was batch recording. So the content that you've probably already seen on my channel, the HR administrator, advisor and business partner interview question and answers, is what I'm recording here with my sister. And I just decided, you know what, let me get it done now, because I was supposed to do it the day before, but literally we finished the hair at like midnight, so there was no time at all for us to get it done. But it was really good to film with my sister and just try and make content in a different way, because I was trying to like think about how I can engage more with you by doing like a mock interview style type video. So yeah. Time when you were able to contribute to better employee engagement. Okay. And then the last one is, tell me about a time when you had to make a quick decision that was going to have a significant impact on the business. Tell me about a time when you had to make a quick decision that was going to have a significant impact on the business. Thank you very much. I've developed expertise in various administrative responsibilities, including managing human resource information systems and implementing best practices in areas such as performance management, recruitment, learning and development, and diversity and inclusion.
Hey, I'm saying
That was in your voice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
1 year of experience. I've developed expertise in various administrative responsibilities. So what did you think of that?
Yeah, it was good. Great. I feel like you did really well.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi guys. So basically I'm recording. You can see my oh gosh, my tripod. I'm so tired. I'm trying to record a video and it's not working. So I'm just not gonna do it today. I'm gonna just maybe try and research again and then we'll do it again. This is just tedious though. Like I'm not here for any of this, but at the same time, we are trying to be consistent with the content with you guys. Well, I'm trying to be consistent. So I'm gonna try and record it again when my head is just right. So we'll try again this week to record it, to be honest. But yeah, YouTube is difficult. Okay guys, I'm actually back home now in Birmingham. I've just touched down. It's midnight basically. I have work tomorrow, so tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, to be fair, this is one of those weeks where I'm not like completely with it. The week I'm just being very honest. Before I went on holiday, because I was on holiday from Thursday and Friday, so I did look at my calendar to see like what's on Monday. Now my Monday is not even that busy, to be quite honest. I've got a few meetings, nothing like nothing too strenuous, but I do have like my big project that I'm working on, like that's taken up a lot of my time recently. So I need to kind of work on that. And that's around internal mobility and talent development and all of that stuff. And then I've got like a meeting about my objectives for the year with my manager. Then I've got a meeting about, because we want to work with we want to partner with an organization to diversify our job board. So I'm having a meeting about that as well. And then I've got a team meeting. This is literally in a random order. But yeah, so Monday's looking, I wouldn't say it's too packed. Well, it depends, because someone might have added something to my calendar. I haven't looked at my calendar since Thursday. But yeah, I'm just going to have a cup of tea now and just chill for a little bit and then go to sleep and start the morning. I wanted to go to the gym tomorrow, but I've been off the gym for what, like, guys, since the day that I did since I did the 5 days in a week at the gym, I think I was consistent after that for about 2 more weeks, and then I've just kind of like not gone to the gym. But I feel like I can't even put a down on myself, because when I'm like not going to the gym, it's because I'm doing more of something. So I'm actually making more content for you guys. Like the amount of content I've made in this month of April for May, oh wow. I hope you're blown away by it. I really do. I've put in a lot of work for this content. And I feel like when I'm just like in different elements and stuff, other things have to slide. So I feel like gym's been sliding, because instead of doing gym in the morning, I've been waking up in the morning doing research for YouTube and writing scripts, and then working, and then writing more scripts and recording videos in the evening. So gym's kind of just taken a back seat, but I need to get back into it. So I'm hoping to go this week at some point. But this is just the reality of life, do you know what I mean? Things aren't always smooth and consistent. So yes. Hey everyone, it is Monday the 17th of April today, and I've just had a meeting with my manager. So I had a one-on-one with her, which I booked in because I needed some more clarity. Again, I always say this, everyone, like if you need clarity on certain things at work, book in time with your manager, just do it. So yeah, I booked in some time, just spoken about my objectives for the year and like what that's going to look like, because as I've mentioned to you guys before, I'm in a different role now in our organization. It's not like the standard HR business partner role right now. It's more specialized, and at the moment there's still not complete clarity on what it is that I'm focusing on. So I would say I'm more 60% project focused and 40% actual day-to-day activities. And I still need to get training basically on these type of activities. So that means like performance improvement plans, for example, and just being involved in those kind of cases. I'm doing like initiating our I'm initiating our international mobility cases, and I've kind of learned how to do that across the last 3 or 4 months or so, because I've had a couple of cases where I've been supervised and stuff, but now I'm just kind of going with it, and I feel like I'm all right and I can do it. So that's good. And obviously the project work, it's more of strategic thinking. So sometimes I'm like, am I going above and beyond? Well, I think I am going above and beyond, I'm not going to lie, because I'm doing a lot of strategic thinking and looking at the challenges we have and like what can we do to implement something new to improve on certain things. So like with attrition rates and stuff, and like internal mobility, how do we decrease attrition rates, like what do we need to do to improve our processes around exit interviews and all that kind of stuff. And also we've got like a people support system, so we get like ticketing coming through and people have queries. How do we ensure that's efficient? So that's kind of the stuff I'm focusing on really at the moment. But sometimes I just think like, am I actually doing a business partnering role? Is this actually like what business partnering is? Should I be, because I feel like I should be communicating with stakeholders more and stuff like that, and setting up meetings with them and things. And yeah, I'm not even clear myself. Like, I know I'm talking to you, everyone, about like going into HR and stuff, but like, let's just remember, I've only been in HR for like 2.5 years, and I'm still learning. So sometimes I don't even like want to come on here and talk about like what I'm doing, because I just feel like it's not it's not fully like what, I don't know, an experienced business partner's doing. So it's like, are you really getting anything out of what I'm saying? I don't know. But I know I shouldn't think like that, because I guess it's the process. It's like, it's not going to be perfect, and you have to just keep building and moving yourself up and trying out new things, and you'll get to where you need to be. Got a meeting at 11:30, and it's about internal mobility, but advertising an internal job in our region, and how can we do that differently, because they've tried to advertise it everywhere globally. This role is like specifically in like a certain location, tried to advertise it globally, but it's just not working. No one's applying for it internally. So they've come to me and said, Alicia, with your creativity and the way you think about things, how can we promote this in a new way? So yeah, I've got that meeting, but in between that, I'm gonna just work on my compass, like my objectives, and just try and understand. There's planes are always going by around here. I'm just trying to understand and just lay out exactly what is it that I'm doing, what is it that this role focuses on, and how am I going to move forward. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Yeah, today is literally my meetings today. This is why I say I do 60% project work. My meetings today are literally around projects. That's what they're focused on, and it's around strategy. And I guess this is a business partner role, I guess it is, but just like from like how I'm doing things, I just feel like this is like, I feel like I'm working as a consultant. But then at the same time, that's a good thing, because I want to be a consultant. So this is why I don't know, like guys, I am like everybody else. I'm trying to figure myself out right now. I'm really trying to figure myself out and understand what it is that I want to do. Like, I'm also thinking I want to be in learning and development. Like, I just want to be a learning and development specialist. I am just everywhere right now. So yeah, that's why sometimes I just don't even vlog, or like I just don't post certain videos, because I'm just like, my journey is not like, it's not like a specific black and white journey where it's like, okay, right, I'm business partnering now, I'm doing everything that business partner is supposed to do. I just don't feel like I am, and sometimes that just makes me feel like an imposter, and it's just like, why am I coming on here talking to you guys when I'm not even doing what you probably think a HR business partner should be doing? I don't know, but yeah, I guess my journey's unique in it. So yeah, let's do some work. Let's get to work. Hi everyone, I am way in the future. Like 1 month in the future, but as always, Alicia does not film endings to vlogs, because a lot of the time I just don't know when they're going to end, and I just end them randomly. But I hope that you enjoyed this weekend / week in the life, in a way. Just getting to know me a little bit more outside of HR, like what I'm getting up to sometimes on the weekends. But trust me, the majority of my weekends are literally just making content these days. Literally, that's all I do. But yeah, if you want to see more content like this, then please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.